Hey, Lady Borgia, and welcome, or shall I say, pleased to meet you, Elsa, Queen of Arendelle. Yes, Frozen 2. I absolutely had to do this. I've been wanting to do Elsa ever since I went platinum several years ago. In fact, that's why I have this costume and I've never worn it. The Halloween that I was supposed to do it, it rained really heavily, so I switched to something else because even going out of the house, the train on this is huge, and so is the dress. I would have been a mess. So it was really fun. I decided to go for definitely Frozen 2 look, you know, a little bit darker. I didn't get much pictures off the internet, but I did watch the trailer and it definitely had a much darker feel, a lot of purple and whatnot. So we are going that direction. I do want to do the character version, you know, cartoon eyes, the whole nine, but I'd like to see the movie first so I can get a total feel of the whole thing. And eventually I'll go back and do Elsa from the first Frozen. Anyway, I don't think she's that different, but you know, there are some differences. Okay, let's get going for Elsa and Elsa. Everybody's been calling me that since I had platinum hair, so might as well do it. Give us a like, me and the real Elsa, or the doll. Subscribe if you have not, because she sure is. And bring! Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the holiday fun I have coming for you. Characters, whatnot, this, that, looks. And hey, if you have a character that you want to see this holiday season, comment below. I will try to fit it in. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, my brows are done because I looked at it and Elsa definitely has a bit of a brow, although our hair color is the same. And blocked my eyes out with a beige base. I'm going to start with Poison Plum by Sugar Pill and just a 507. Let's just go pack that on. Ooh, blend that out. And we're just going to shape and map it out. I don't want to do too much of a cat eye because I do want the reminiscent, somewhat roundish eye, but her eye does come out some even as a cartoon character. I actually really am interested in doing her cartoon face too. So I'm going to round this a bit. And then pull it out. Yes. Okay. Okay, and then I want to darken up the outer V a little bit. And I'm going to go into this month's Boxy Charms palette, the Celestial Thunder, and get some dark matter on an angled shader. Actually, an angled crease brush. My apologies. This is different than originally what I kind of planned on doing, but when I watched the trailer, it's definitely, you know, a different vibe from Frozen 1. So we're just going to pop this in here. Because she's definitely, like, as I see it, you know, she's starting to feel her magic more. It looks like she's going to have to, like, make a choice because they're talking about magic and whatnot. And she got into the Enchanted Forest. So I definitely see a difference with her makeup. Woo. Ooh, yes. Oh, God. So much happier to have my hair freshly done. All right, now we're going to go into Sugar Pill's 2 AM or any comparable color and use that to blend this out a little bit. Just very lightly. And I still want to keep it round-ish as possible for my human eyes. Okay, and then we're going to take some Anastasia Beverly Hills base and cut the crease. Alright, I did a cut crease, but with a nice kind of rounded shape so we can keep that kind of idea of the cartoon character without the cartoon character, and then P. Louise pigment in Sugar Daddy. This stuff is icy because I want to keep the iciness of the idea. I know her magic is icy. I'm just gonna pack this on. Ooh. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, and then we're gonna add some Tarte, oh goodness, eye jewels in silver, the non-glitter side, and just into that space. And it's easy if you look from below. And it's a little more detailed than I saw in the trailer, but hey, you know, we're going for it. You know it. And keep that rounded out. All right, I'm gonna do the other side and liner and lashes, and then we're gonna keep transforming into Elsa. Frozen 2 Elsa. Okay, we've got Elsa's lashes on. Wow, they're really cool. Kiss lashes, 3D fake mink or in Teddy. These things just popped right on. Had them in my lash bin for a while. Nice. All right, I'm looking at Elsa, and if you can see on the screen, she's definitely got in like all the pictures like quite a bit of black liner. So I'm making sure to go around the edges. I mean, granted, this is, you know, an adaptation or inspired by, not an exact copy, or I'd be doing the big eyes. Black liner on. I'm going to throw on a little bit of concealer, whatnot, little contour, and then we're going to finish the bottom of the eye. You know. Okay, we're getting really close. I added some concealer under my eyes, corner of my nose, and a little down here. A little bit of backup powder, and I left it on. And some blush from Tarte, because she's definitely got those pink cheeks. And I'm going to go in, because around her eye, I made it more dramatic because it's a fun character look. But I kind of want to keep the feel of it. And I'm just going to go in right under that black liner with the black matter and just keep it really tight there. Just on that outer edge. I tried to, you know, wipe a little bit of the black so it's not all the way there. It's not quite as heavy as the inner corner, the black liner, because then it opens her eye a little bit more. Which, if yours starts moving, all you gotta do is grab a Q-tip and just kind of bring it back. And I'm probably gonna add in on the finishing touches like a little bit of white right there, just to not close her eyes so much. I'm gonna take this little purple triple eyeshadow from Sephora. It's in ultraviolet. I don't know if they sell it, but just any purple like this will do. And just tuck it right here to fan this out and bring it around. But I'm not going to bring it heavy all the way. We're just going to blend that. Ooh. And we're just going to leave this kind of fanned out because I don't want to close our eye too much. All right, I'm going to add some glitter gel that I made. It's just clear glitter as a brow shimmer, since she's frozen and she's the true ice queen. And I'll brush it through. Get her sparkling. Ooh. We might need a little bit more. Okay, I ran a little bit of NYX glitter primer through my eyebrows, and then I've got this glitter. I think it's in Stargazer from Makeup Geek. I just want to put a little bit, I should have done this earlier, in her brow to give her that icy moment. Woo! I can brush it off. That's why I left the powder under here. Okay, I added some silver liner to the inner third just to open the eye a little bit more because her eyes are not closed in. And then I'm gonna add some little finishing touches and some fun things and completely transform her. Ready? Whoop. Oh, why hello. How did you get in my castle? Ooh. Might have to freeze your ass. Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen it long enough to do a proper impersonation of Elsa, so. But I did get the hair done, whatnot. And here we go. Elsa a la Frozen 2. Since she looked a little bit darker, there's a lot of purple and darkness in that trailer. So that's what I was vibing on. I got my little snowflake, my glitter, whatnot. So, woo! All right, guys, I had a lot of fun. I appreciated this Elsa to vibe off while I looked at like the 1 or 2 pictures I have from the trailer. Mwah! I love you so much for lending this to me. All right, guys, don't forget to watch these videos too and others. So excited to see the movie and so excited to do her again after I see it and get the whole vibe. All right. Love you all. Queen Elsa of Arendelle. Lady Borgia.